Yo, what is going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be opening up the brand new Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil. Now, before we actually get into the content, I am giving away a sneaker when I hit 3,000 subscribers. I will be giving away this NMD R1 V2 in a 9.5, and they're dead stock, so even if you aren't a 9.5, you can sell them on StockX. So, at the end of the video, there will be a link that you can click, so make sure you guys do that. Yeah, if you are new to the channel, my name is Mason, and basically we just do a bunch of sneaker unboxing and hypebeast stuff, so make sure to subscribe and everybody like up this video. But let's go ahead and play the intro. Okay guys, so as I said, we are opening up the Israfil. They're brand new. I'm pretty sure we got a 9.5, so we'll be able to do like on foot footage and all that stuff. But I have them right here. We got them from the Adidas raffle. So here we have this 350 with the boost right there. Let me get rid of this box real quick. Okay, so I remember I already did like a video about this shoe like a few months ago, just like it was like a leak video, you know, and I personally really liked it when all those leaks came out, because it reminds me of a supercar to where it'll have like yellow headlights or something. That I don't know why it reminds me of that, but yeah, so we have Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Israfil in a 9.5, so we will be able to do on foot footage and all that stuff. But let's go ahead and open up this shoe. Okay, this is really cool. See, this is where all the laces. I actually haven't seen that yet, so this is my very first pair to where it comes with the new lace bungee thing. Okay, so first impressions, I thought it was going to be a different color blue than this. It is a little bit lighter at the top and darker. Like, it's just like a grayer blue, I guess. I thought it was going to be like more blue. It's just a weird color, but actually in camera, I feel like in camera this shoe looks better. Like, just looking at that from my screen, it looks pretty good. Alright, so here, let's use this one, and let's basically just get a rundown on this sneaker. So basically, let's go ahead and start out with probably the most obvious thing that you're going to see on this compared to other Yeezy 350 V2s, and that's going to be the new lacing, like bungee cord thingy, I guess. But yeah, basically, not only does it have this to where you can't actually tie your shoes, the laces are different. So on the Yeezy Zion, that's how they were. So I guess they're continuing to do that on the newer pairs. Basically, they're just stretchy laces. You know, I don't really know how I feel about that. It doesn't, I just really like the stiff laces, how they have on the older 350 V2s. So now that we've talked about the laces, let's just go ahead and look at this stripe. So in pictures, it looked a lot more yellow. Now in hand, it's more of an orange tan. It's like wood. It looks like wood. Yeah, let's just say that. It has like a wood color, or like a brownish color. But there is definitely yellow in it. Now for the Primeknit, we do have mixes of, it looks like maybe white. I can't really tell. It's like a gray. Definitely has a lot more white in it. And then the other color, the contrast color, is blue, and it's basically the same exact blue color on the sole and the ankle collar, but it does change to a lighter blue up top here. So yeah, it's kind of just like split in half. You know how they always do that. Now we do have this sole that swipes up, and it's like a, I don't know what to call this. It seems almost white. It's like a clear white color. You guys can see that. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the insoles. It looks like they're the same exact color as the laces, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I think that's basically everything about the sneaker. Obviously, you guys can see the sole is that gray blue color, and I already told you guys the sole part that swoops up, it's the clear color. But yeah, that's pretty much basically everything about this sneaker. Let's go ahead and get some on-foot footage of the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil. Okay guys, personally I think these look really good on feet. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. That's pretty much going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. And right now would be a good time to go ahead and check out my sneaker giveaway. There will be a link in the description, so make sure you go check that out. But as always, thank you guys for watching.